Hi everybody, down here again. I got something to scrap out. Start put on video. I don't think I've seen one of these scrapped out before. These electrical circuit breakers, power sources thing. Not sure what happened. Just quit working on me. So I'm just gonna bust it open, see what's in here, and scrap it out. Just like the rest of this stuff here, I got out of this microwave, and I got out of the microwave and TV. But first of all, what I'm gonna do here is bust this apart, like so. Man, there's not a cord on this sucker. There we go. Man. Alright. Get my assistant here to watch me bust this open. Got it? Huh? Here we go. Okay, get down a little bit more. Alright. Oh man. Alright, gotta try and bust it again. Hang on. Wow. Okay. Here's what we got here. I don't know why this doggone thing is so heavy. Oh, shit. Hang on. That's what it is, man. Big old heavy duty battery right there. That's the heavy part. And wow, look at that. Look at that transformer. Imagine how much copper is in this bad boy. Wow. Okay. What I'm gonna do is clip these off here. Man, some of these things are just way up in there. I'm not even gonna waste my time. Ugh. Yeah, some of them are in there. Wow. Okay. This lot is plastic. Okay, here's what I got. Let me get this camera focused. Got this copper wire here, this battery here, and miscellaneous stuff here. Here's where the meat is, right here, man. Meat on the bones, right here. This big old heavy duty transformer. I don't know if you can see it, but looks to be a lot of copper there. This battery, I don't know. Maybe I can use that for something. Or recycle it somewhere. But that's it. That's what's in those electrical circuit breakers for your computers. Alright, thanks for looking.